out of a husky tote. Just took a drill and a hole saw and made a starter kit. And we transferred them, the four best looking girls, based on smell, rate of growth, and a few other factors. We transferred them into these hydro buckets and then we push play, essentially. Alright, so it's been 14 days since we last saw these girls, and on the ninth day, I did initiate flower. So these girls have been in flower for 5 days now. And this is what things are looking like. Very healthy, very green, and robust growth going on in this tent. These hydro buckets are doing an excellent job. And this girl right here seems to be the only one in the tent that is suffering from cannibalization. So I'm just gonna give her a little push by defoliating these already cannibalized leaves. And you can have a look at them for yourself and get a good idea of what cannibalization looks like. It usually will start at the bottom of the plant, and it can be harmless as long as you address it. So the easiest way to address it is to feed your plants. Cannibalization is a representation of the plant eating itself, which means it's hungry. What do? You feed it. So, harmless enough. Cut those leaves away. They won't come back because I am going to feed these girls right now. And we'll be back to see what they look like in a few weeks. Alright, so we are back in this tent and it has been 11 days. These three girls, well, this one right here is taller than these other three, as you can see. So I'm going to experiment a little bit. We are in the middle of flower with these four girls. These three girls are doing just fine, but this one, I'm gonna top her. I have never topped a plant in flower. I have no idea how this is gonna work. I got these two tops. Let's get a little closer of a view. Got these two tops down here that I want to keep. And then this right here we're going to get rid of. I'm just going to chop her right off. Like I said, we are in about week 3, week 4 of flower. And this is something I have never done, but I'm willing to try to see if it works.
Technically, the only thing he needs to do is reroot that top and then re-veg it and then regrow it. Keep them
And let
nice,
you all know.
nice run of it right there.
Alright, so as you can see, this canopy is much more even. The light can be be distributed more evenly now. Yeah. And this is the top. It'll dry up, and as a result, this plant will send energy to all of these tops instead of focusing on that one top. And all of these plants are at the same stage. Beautiful.
So they cut it short so it looks better.
So my feeding
What up, Dale?
schedule
Good to
has
see
not
you. How you
changed
doing?
since I started growing quite some years ago. I just so happen to like DWC, and liquid nutrients are what works in DWC. As you can see, these are all liquid nutrients. I have been running general hydroponics since I started growing. And generally, I like to keep things even. So if I'm giving 15 milliliters of a floor micro, then I will give 15 milliliters of the bloom and the grow and Cincy CalMag. And when we're in flower, it'll be 15 milliliters of cool bloom. I like to stick to about between 3 and 5 milliliters of the